I want to share some thoughts which help me find purpose, happiness, and kind of fulfillment in life. Number one, life is a game. We take life too seriously. We want to study only in this college. We want to get only this course. We want to marry only this person. We are very stuck on thinking that this is how life should go. But let me tell you the truth. I have never got whatever I wanted in life. Literally nothing. I wanted to study in IITs. I didn't clear IIT exam. I wanted to do computer science. I ended up doing mechanical engineering. I wanted to become a software engineer and code. I ended up being a finance professional. I wanted to be in finance. I wanted to be a VC and I became an entrepreneur. So the entire journey, I have never got what I wanted. But I am happier than what I would have been. ஏன் அப்படி சொல்றேன்னா நீங்க லைஃபை we are seeing it in very short term and thinking that this is how it will go, but it is a game. There are so many things which change, and with that change, if you take life as a game, you will be able to adapt, you will be able to strategize, and you will be able to proceed further where everyone else is stuck. You will be like a cockroach racing up and always surviving. So life is a game is an important lesson in my life. Second lesson, be ready for absolute minimum but aim for maximum. So this example I can tell you with my tungsten days. When I wanted to start the company, at that time, the first problem I had was I had a car EMI. I had to pay 10,000 rupees per month. And at that time, my mother had retired. My father was the only one earning. And I was also ready to leave the job because I found a startup idea. Now I had 2 lakhs in my bank account. And with that money, I didn't want to take loan from father because they're all earning pension. They're all earning government jobs. So my mental thing was, oh, how can I take a risk? I did one trip. That trip was to Tiruvannamalai. I came in a bus, and after coming here, I realized that eating the prasadam, just being around this mountain, living in a house for 6,000 rupees was actually enough to be happy. And I had some education, so I know that 10 to 20,000 rupees per month I could anyway earn. Mentally, what is the worst that can happen to me? I will have to live in 10 to 20,000. I am ready. Now, the moment I was ready for that minimum, I was able to take every risk. I was ready to go in my two-wheeler. I didn't want a car. I went in two-wheeler in the hot sun, company after company. We moved from 300 meals a day. In 5 years, we moved to 3 million meals a month, and we got acquired by Zomato. If I was not ready to sacrifice and be ready for minimum, I couldn't have seen this maximum in money, in wellness, in finance, in all things in life. Third, be physically fit. You know why? Yeah, business la eppadi irundichna, I am a big foodie and my business was in food. I cook as well. So you can understand that combination. I used to keep eating at the caterer's kitchen. I used to taste food in my house. I used to come and make food for myself. I reached 97 kilos because of my business and because of my passion for food. Now I realized suddenly that company was doing well, everything was going okay. But by the time I finish my company and I earn my money and I become old, if this body is not going to be with me to help me enjoy this world, then what is the point of earning? What is the point of working hard? What is the point of money? And every age we have a certain responsibility to do. There is a certain age beyond which you cannot play. There is a certain age beyond which you cannot reproduce. There is a certain age beyond which you cannot try new things or travel. In the life la idukulla pannanungiradhu is very important, and for that the only thing which is going to help you is your fitness. So I started joining the gym. I started doing yoga, and adukapram it became a kick because when you start beating your physical limits, I started reducing weight, I started getting toned, and I do aerial yoga, I ride a horse. Idella paakone what was I doing all these years and a feeling vandiruchu. So that is important. Your body is your tool to experience a beautiful life. Fourth point, fall in love with everything you do. Nammaloda life la we have only time as our currency. There is nothing else which is ours. In that time la we should actually do things which we really love. Ipo neenga for example eduthukonga unga home food நீங்க சாப்பிடும்போது ரொம்ப டேஸ்டியா இருக்கு, ஒரு ரொம்ப சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைங்கா இருக்கு. அதே ஹோட்டல் ஃபுட் டேஸ்டா இருக்கும், பட் ஒரு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைங் வராது. ஏன்? Because your mother does it with love. That is the secret ingredient. இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு ஐடி கம்பெனில வேலை செய்றீங்க, ஐயோ சம்பளம் கிடைக்கணுமேங்கிறதுக்காக வேலை செஞ்சு போனீங்கன்னா அந்த 8 மணி நேரம் உங்களுக்கு டார்ச்சர். பட் லெட்ஸ் சே யூ love coding. உங்களுக்கு code பண்றதுனாலயே you will be excited those 8 hours. அதை தவிர imagine all your colleagues are someone whom you share your love with. But those 8 hours is heaven for you. Now try this experiment. நீங்க food சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி just place your hand and like just talk to that food. Just see that colors, different colors of items in the food. Smell the food. அந்த கொஞ்ச நேரம் just be in gratitude to everything in nature which has given that food to you. அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த food சாப்பிட்டு பாருங்க. That food will have a very different effect on you. அதே மாதிரி ஒரு people கிட்ட பேசுறீங்களா பழகுறீங்களா அவங்க கிட்ட எதுவுமே எதிர்பார்க்கறீங்க. அப்படியே just do it because you just love being yourself and being authentic, and நீங்க நேச்சுரலா ஆனஸ்டா authentic-ஆ இருந்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு authentic-ஆ இருக்கும், and that is love. இதையும் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணாம just be in love with everything. எனக்கு கொரோனா சமயத்துலலாம் வந்து I used to spend time with the trees. நீங்க tree கிட்ட பேசலாங்க, tree will talk to you. I mean different things. It might look funny, stupid, foolish. I don't care. I experience amazing life by being in love with everything, and the love comes back. இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will actually find a very big purpose to live. You will not get frustrated with anything. எதுவா இருந்தாலும் ஒரு விளையாட்டு. Everything in life is a game. You are ready for minimum. You are ready to play out for the maximum, and you are doing things which you love. இதுக்கு மேல என்னங்க வேணும் வாழ்க்கையில? You don't need anything. These 4 thoughts actually transform my life into something more beautiful, and I'm in deep gratitude to everything that has made me come here. Looking forward to the journey to make it even more fun and exciting in the next days to come. I hope all of you live like this and we all meet and we form a tribe of people who are just happy and game changers in this universe.